Game tayo dito. Game tayo.
Kuha naman ng TNT. Kapatid gets it over Belga.
Finally a basket. Biglang bumilis yung pace nitong laro natin na to. Sali the defensive adjustment of rain or shine, but that time around simply too fast for Ildefonso, Jason Castro.
Sa fast break kanina, ayun yung jumper, pumasok na.
That is what usually happens from a confidence level. You either get it on layups or putbacks or even from free throw shots, but you have to rely on your teammates. Or red shirts. Itong si Hudson trying to get a foul called against a red shirt, pero walang nangyari on the other side because he was complaining. Itong si Guam took advantage, shooting.
Gentlemen, balik sa inyo.
That is some sad news for Calvin Oftanas. Ponferrada gets the layup, but it's a reminder for everybody. Hindi pa po tako sa pandemya.
Tama yan. Very unfair ka. Babalanse yung kanilang offensive attack kung meron contribution yung kanilang mga malaking manlalaro.
Reynam Batag making up for lost time. Pushing this lead now up to 9. That beats James. Here he comes.
And that is what James Yap is made of, knowing exactly the defense rushes out long. His counter is put the ball down.
Belga trying to save it. Pogoy on the leak out. Excellent pitch by Kapatid.
This is going to be an issue for rain or shine. If they're missing shots, they're not getting a lot of mileage from their zone offense. It is a fast break.
Usus with a key hit. Second basket of the game for him. Pinawi naman ang ganun-ganun lang ni Machine Gun.
Now you begin to question the kind of defense of Joel Ponferrada. Why are you going to guard for rain or shine?
Usus with a steal.
This is awesome.
Here we go. Oh, a 180 jam. Para kay Michael Falls.
And this should ignite their
Aziz Joe feeding Torres again. The Ateneo Lasal connection nakakadalawa na dito sa third frame. Seconds in the third. Mikey ties it up.
give the ball to this guy and he will manufacture.
Doesn't work. Docomo with the rebound down to si Hudson. He finishes with a left.
This is more the pace of TNT, a far cry
Hudson,
from...
no looks into the corner. RR all night.
He has been begging for that basket. Good read by Jalen Hudson.
It's going to be triple.